Hi there, this is Ashlyn with WTI. Do you get a sore neck from looking down at your laptop or can't get that perfect angle when you're on a video call? Well, this laptop stand by Besign is the perfect solution. I really love that this laptop stand is so adjustable. You can adjust the height and the angle, so it's really customizable for whatever your needs are. Another feature I love is the grips that it has. It has grips on the bottom, so it's not gonna move. And then it also has grips on the platform where your laptop sits. So it's not gonna scratch your laptop, and it will also help it stay in place. As you can see on the base, there's also slots. This will really help the airflow into your laptop and it won't get overheated. So that's something you won't have to worry about. Overall, it is just a quality product. I've had this for almost 2 years and it still looks brand new. So if you're thinking about getting this laptop stand, I definitely recommend it. And that's my point of view.